Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at the Fegar seat cushion, memory foam, chair pad, coccyx pillow for car seat, office computer chair, wheelchair, orthopedic. It's breathable, ergonomic design for sciatica and tailbone relief. I'll tell you a little bit about why I bought this. It's got this fun little handle on it. So this is the back and this is the front, and it's got a nice airflow for in between your legs. And the reason I bought this was because I was finding my back to be hurting at the end of the day because I drive a lot, and it just helps with your posture. It's nice and soft, and it's got nice memory foam. Sometimes I even forget that I'm sitting on it. It's so comfortable. So let me go into some of the specifics about what it actually is good for. So it has an ergonomic design. If you spend a lot of time driving or sitting like me, the seat cushion will give you the support and relief for your pains. Our car seat cushion is perfect for pain relief of sciatica and lower back pain, lumbar pain, pelvic pressure, hip pain, lumbosacral spondylosis, sacroiliitis, and prostate conditions, actually. So it's used for a great many things. It's couple inches thick, and it's really nice and soft and spongy, and like I said, it has memory foam in it. It has a breathable hollow, which is here, so you can use that in the office. It breathes well, and it's actually a best choice for people who have hemorrhoids or prostate problems or pregnant women. It has a unique tailbone protection. The seat is heightened, it has a slightly heightened end, which you see right here, and that will align the tailbone and distribute the weight evenly when you sit. So it's actually really high quality, unlike a lot of other cushions that use gel, layers, and other ineffective budget materials. FEAGAR orthopedic memory foam chair pads use thick, high-density memory foam so it can keep its shape, feel soft, and comfortable. It's also temperature sensitive, so it's normal that cushions become harder and lower in temperature, but the cushion softness will be adjusted to the user by the environment temperature. Thus, it will give support and perfect posture as well. It has a wide range of applications. The seat pillow is suitable for computer chairs, car seats, wheelchairs, any home chairs, a seat on the bus, the airplane, a train. It's suitable for drivers, teachers, students, people who are pregnant, and office workers. It's not a really expensive option. I thoroughly enjoy it. My back pains have greatly improved since I've started using this. I've had this for about 2.5 months that I've been using this, and I just really enjoy it. When my husband drives my car, he likes it. It's nice and comfortable. It keeps your tush comfy, and it keeps your posture aligned. I haven't spilled anything on it or had any problems or anything, or I don't find myself sweating sitting on it. So I would give this 5 stars out of 5 stars. I'm really happy with my purchase. I think that if you try it, you will be happy as well, especially if you have a desk job and you have to sit in a seat all day. It gets wearing on your back, and you need the posture alignment to help with sitting in a place for 8 on the low side, 10 on the high side of sitting at your desk. And of course, you know, sometimes you take your lunch at your desk because you don't have time to leave. So this is something that will improve your posture and really help with your back pain. Like I say, I testify and say that it works. It actually works. So try the FEAGAR seat cushion, memory foam chair pad, car seat, office computer chair, wheelchair, orthopedic breathable, ergonomic design for sciatica, tailbone, and pain relief. So don't take my word for it, try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.